What up? What up? What up? It's your man, Boss Gang VIP with the weekly money watch. I hope everybody had a fantastic weekend. Got some pretty nice setups for you guys that we want to take advantage of. We saw a little pullback in the market last week after Fed Chair Powell gave his remarks regarding the economy after we got a 0.25 rate basis cut. If you haven't already, make sure to like and subscribe so you can get the drops as soon as they're available. I'm looking forward to SPY hitting an all-time high this week. Everything, all the news seems to be pretty bullish right now. We had the PCE, those numbers came in cool. The job numbers came in line, CPI, everything lined up the way we thought it should be. Going forward, we are looking forward to the Santa Claus rally. And without taking too much time, I'm going to get into some fire setups we got this week. And I'm looking forward to having some crazy wins. Obviously, we're going to start off checking out the Roth IRA. It's doing really well. Of course, the big winner has been Palantir since we've been in up hundreds of a percent. So if you know anybody who's interested in learning how to invest the right way, definitely send them over to the channel. You want to have them be involved in things like this, right? Especially if you love them, right? If the people you don't care about, whatever, just leave them on the sideline. But we want to help as many people as possible, right? So yeah, get them over here. Get them over here. This week, Monday, December 23rd, consumer confidence. Tuesday, durable goods. Let's see, new home sales Wednesday, holiday. So obviously market close Wednesday. We get a shortened trading day. We'll get into that in the almanac as well. Thursday, initial jobless claims coming back from the holiday. And then Friday, we have advanced U.S. trade balance goods, advanced retail inventories, advanced wholesale inventories. Well, I know why you're here. Let's get into some setups for this week. We're going to be looking at super micro. We know they got beat down. The price is depressed right now. I'm looking for this to go. So super micro. Other one, Lucid, price beat all the way down. We're going to see if this gets a nice little reversal. I'll show you what the charts look like. So yeah, I'm actually really excited for this week. I think we got some really good setups, man, and some really good possibilities, some chances to make some money. Another one, RCAT, RCAT announces production selection for U.S. Army short range reconnaissance program, working with POTR as well, defining the future of aerial intelligence, the drones, crazy movement over there. Think there might be something brewing, so we shall see. Let's go ahead and get into the charts. First one, told you, SMCI. This is interesting. Came all the way down, crazy level, quarterly broadening formation. I mean, after this crazy move down, we saw it hit this low, and we saw the push back up here to monthly broadening formation. We came back to this quarterly. It was crazy because no matter what, everything seemed to be down as far as the entries, right? So we got the push back up toward the end of the day. Let me go to a lower time frame. I may have to go to this is what's crazy here. I really want you guys to see. So even if you look at this 15-minute, you see how it pushed all the way down like this? So what happens is this didn't set up for any entries. So we got the green down here, red. And if you know me, I like things that are red, about to go back green, right? So this was green, red, and then it was red here, and it went back green. And so it's red here, and I believe it's going to go back green. I don't believe they're going to keep SMCI down like that. So I actually literally had to put an entry on the 1 minute. So there's a 2 to 1 minute entry above 31.65, which is a 6-cent trigger. Imagining this stuff will gap up, but if it gaps up over trigger, it just gaps up over the trigger. And then if we actually look at the charts, we know where it was. It's going to go back to highs. How long it will take, I'm not sure. And then, it's always going to have just tons of bodies and volume and all that kind of good stuff. Highly traded, 85.6 million in the last trading session. So yeah, I'm definitely looking to see what they have in store for Lucid and earnings January 2nd after market. That should be very, very interesting. The other one I'm going to be looking at, we talked about Lucid. This one was another one that was actually tough to get entries on this because some of this stuff is so good and I don't want the price action to push up. One, I think the mistakes I believe a lot of people have is they wait for a price to go up to confirmation. So even if the price goes, so basically people wait for the price to go up. They use different strategies. I'm not going to get into that, but they wait for the price to go up. Then when the price goes up, they get in based on some kind of momentum. And then they say put a tight stop loss to go back down to a lower number to get out when they could have got in at the lower number. That same point when they're getting out, somebody was getting in. So why not just get in at the lower number that lowers your risk? Our job is to find reversals. If you're not good at finding reversals, just say, I'm not good at finding reversals. So therefore, I'm looking to chase momentum. We're looking to get the best possible entries. And if things pull back, we want to be in at the low. So if it pulls back to the low. We don't want to get in and have things go up and then pull back, right? That's what we don't want to do. We want to get at the lower number. No matter when you get in, there's a chance things could pull back. I would just rather pull back. And if things go against me, it costs me less. That's just my philosophy. It's not everyone's, but that's just my philosophy. I like to buy low, sell high. Lucid, crazy entry on this one. Had to go all the way to the 30-minute. Got an entry at 304. Always got to zoom out on the charts. We know Lucid's been beat all the way down. It's all the way down. It's all the way down, but it did have a crazy last few sessions, and it is well off the low. Hit a low of $1.93. It's all the way back up to $3, which is 50% on the underlying. So a lot of interest in this off the low. And if this wants to get to going, there's a lot of potential there, big gaps in price action. First stop we're going to be looking at is around $4, which is another 25% on the underlying if it were to make that move. As far as 157 point, this is just outrageous of volume for that final trading session on Friday. So absolutely amazing over there. We'll see if there's some opportunities to be had there. And the last one, RCAT. This has just been absolutely crazy. This one I really had to zoom out on the chart so we could really see where we are. Let me go to a year chart. This is pretty crazy right here what this year chart looks like. We got a lot of potential here. So yeah, it was some of these were really actually, yeah, it was kind of tough to find entries on some of these. So this one I actually had to do the same thing. Give us an entry. Did I even type it? Oh yeah, I got it typed in. Let me activate it. So this one also has a 30-minute entry above 1095. And to me, in my mind, it's just, they make the price action so crazy so that people won't get in. They actually don't want you to get in. But yeah, 1095, that's a 30-minute crazy move. 18.3% the last trading session, 23 million volume on the underlying. Yeah, so this is going to be pretty interesting. I am looking forward to having an absolutely amazing week. These look like some great opportunities. If you're able to take advantage of these, please make sure to let me know. Put those in the comments below. If you have any questions for me, put those in the comments below. I'd like to help you out if you allow me to do that. With that being said, this is your man, Boss Gang VIP. I'm looking forward to having an absolutely amazing week, and I hope you are as well. I'm out. Peace.